So here's a presentation, and as you can see, it has 160 slides. 160 slides in this presentation. It's an all-day course that I do on project management. But I'm going to go to the Copilot icon. Notice the colors because it's matching my PowerPoint. I'm going to click Copilot and it automatically is going to open on the right-hand side like it always does. Okay. So once I come into Copilot, what kind of things can oops, sorry. I clicked the wrong window. Once I come into Copilot, what can I have it do? It's giving you suggestions. So I could see create a presentation from a file. I can summarize this presentation or organize this presentation. I could go into each of these prompts to gather information about the presentation. But what if I wanted to add in a new slide? I'm going to actually go to an existing slide and I'm going to tell it create a new slide with the topic of creating a scope statement. So it's automatically pulling things together based on the topic of scope statements. It will automatically insert a new slide, but here it automatically gave me a new slide and it automatically included an image. But I'm going to actually delete that image that it gave me, and I'm going to say add an image of a scope statement, just so you can see it could do that. Okay, here we go, an image of a scope statement. It automatically has added in an image of a scope statement. Now I could go back and say, change the image to this, to that, whatever, but I won't go through all of that here with you today. But these are things that you really want to practice with. Practice with how you're prompting, no matter where it is you're using Copilot from, practice prompts, 100%. So let me go ahead and select this object on this slide. And I'm going to, well, actually, maybe I'll do two different things here. I'm going to use my microphone, create a slide transition using fly-in. It's showing me that it does have animation. So when I come in and preview it, I can see the animations have automatically been added. Just so you're finding that Copilot itself is going to be an efficiency, it's going to be a time saver, and it helps you to be more creative. It brings up images for me that I never would have thought of or that I have to go out and search for on the internet. Let Copilot do that searching for you. It's actually using images that are built into Microsoft and ones that it's automatically grabbing that are not copyrighted off the internet. So the abilities that it has with images has been absolutely fantastic. We can describe exactly what type of an image it is that we want, tell it what colors to use, have it look like it's, windy outside, whatever the case would be. It's all about the prompting. But in your handout, you're going to find lots of information in regards to using Copilot in Excel, in Microsoft Word, where we can have it transform, we can have it totally write information for us. I do a lot of the auto rewrite. That's the very common choice, but I like having the tone as well. PowerPoint can do exactly that same thing, and it can use different tones in Excel as well, because if you ask Excel to add a text box with this information in the text box, you can have it rewrite it based on the tone you want it to use as well. But I use it in Excel and PowerPoint and Word on a daily basis. These are things that I'm always using it for.